Hi, this is Topper Chef. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to make white sauce, and that white sauce we're going to finish off with cheese, which is the Mornay sauce. Okay, so now for this sauce we're going to take 2 tablespoons of butter. Okay, let it melt. And always cook the sauce on a low heat. Let it melt properly. And to this, I'm going to add the same amount of flour. Now, it all depends how thick you want this, so that amount of flour you're going to add and let this cook on, like I said, a low heat. So I'm going to stir this, making it a roux. I'm going to cook this flour really good. Now in French cooking they use this is what we call a roux. They usually keep this aside and to thicken all their sauces and everything. So you want to cook this flour really well. Now to this, not burning it at all. So now I can see it is nicely cooked. I'm going to add not all my milk, just little at a time. And you got to whisk it properly. I'm going to mix it so it doesn't form lumps. And I'm going to get my whisk. I'm going to whisk it. Okay, so now we can increase the flame a little bit more. And I'll see how thick it's going to get. I'm going to make it a little thick because I'm going to add some cheese in it, which is the Mornay sauce. So see, it's already started to get thick. Now I'm going to add all my milk. And just keep on stirring it. And it will keep on thickening. Now to this you can add white pepper. Never add black pepper to a white sauce. Always white pepper or some other kind of seasoning. You can add onion powder or garlic powder, whatever you want to do to make it thick. So to this I'm going to add my cheddar cheese, and that's the reason we didn't add enough water to our soup. So this is basic white sauce, and when I add cheese to it, it becomes a Mornay sauce. Okay, so now if you were going to make just white sauce, you got to thicken it really well. And once you put the spoon down, it should coat the spoon. Now, I'm not making a white sauce. I'm making white sauce, but I'm adding cheese for my Mornay sauce, which is going to go in my chowder. Now I'm going to add a cup of cheese. And that's how I'm going to thicken it, and you'll see, oh my god, the difference in this stuff. And you should use a cheese which will melt inside. A cheddar is good. Mozzarella or something will not melt. So cheddar is a very good cheese for making any kind of sauce, like Mexican sauce, queso, whatever. You got to make this. Now this is it. See? You don't want to thicken it too much. This is a good consistency. It will get thick by itself. And I'm going to add this in my soup, so I don't want to thicken it. I'm going to turn this off now.